What's up, Linux fam? Welcome back to the channel, the place where we preach the good news of Linux. If you're tired of your system crashing, you're tired of Windows updates that take all day long, you're tired of your Mac acting like it's allergic to customization, listen, you are in the right place. Today's message is just for you. That message is get Linux, not just any Linux, but Linux Mint 22.2. Today we're going to be looking at installing the XFCE edition, which basically is just a lightweight distribution, lightweight environment that we have here for Linux Mint, which Linux Mint, keep in mind, is based off of Ubuntu as well. And this version is actually built on top of Ubuntu 24.04, which is a long-term support distribution. So you know you're getting a rock solid foundation that's going to be supported for many years to come. You're going to click on the install Linux Mint once you get the distro pulled up. And look, if you haven't subscribed, you need to go ahead and subscribe now. Don't forget to like and comment too as well. Let me know if you want to see some more of this kind of content or what you would like to see here on the page. We're back after 4 years of no content. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and choose our language here, which I speak English, of course, as you can hear. I'm going to choose our keyboard layout right here. I'm going to choose English as well, US, because that's where I'm at. And then I'm going to go ahead and click install the multimedia XFCE. While we wait on this, just want to know, it's for older laptops sometimes to give it new life, and you know, this is a good distribution for that. Let's go ahead and choose our option for installation, where we're going to install it to. I do like to go ahead and erase the entire disk and install it if I'm going to do something like this. You can choose other options that will allow you to install it alongside other operating systems such as Windows or macOS. I'm going to choose our region here, which is Central. All right, put in your information here. Your name, it's going to put in the computer's name, which is going to be a VirtualBox for us, of course, the Linux Preacher. And then put your password in. You hit continue. After that, you can choose whether you do login automatically or require a password. Still got to put a password in there though, either way. But you can choose whether you would like your system to log in automatically or require a password. I generally like to have mine have a password. Hit continue. And then let it do its job. And from there, you have now successfully started the process of allowing Linux Mint to be installed on your system. And after that, you have now freed your computer. And welcome to the world of freedom. Amen. Look, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like as well. Share this with somebody.